Hello guys, so in this video we are going to see some lightning component that are available in web. So first of all, open any web browser and type LWC components. So after that, click on LWC component library and go to the developer.salesforce.com first link. So here you can see that there is many lightning component available. So first of all we have to select component. After that we have to select lightning, and in this lightning we can see many component like avatar, badge, button group, icon, button menu, cards, and many of others. So let's see some couple of components here. So let's see for button. So if we will click on button, you can see that there is an HTML and JavaScript 2 files over here. So in HTML this is the code for this button. So for this we are using lightning button tag, and variant means base. So this variant shows that which type of button is it. So this is the HTML code for the button. So as you can see that there is many customized buttons available in this library. So for the base there is a base button. For neural there is a neural button. This is for brand, this is brand outline, destructive text, and success. So we can use this library simply in our LWC component that we are creating. So let's for the JavaScript file. So here you can see that we have create a handler method in which if the label of this button will be fetched to the click button label variable. So that's how we can use these components in our LWC. So let's go for the card. So here you can see that there is two files for the card also. First one is HTML and second one is JavaScript. So in HTML you can see that lightning card tag is used for the card in LWC, and inside it we have a lightning button and some paragraphs, as you can see. So this is a component. So this is the lightning card, and inside this we have a button labeled with new. Here you can see, and after that we have two paragraph. First one is card body custom component. It is here, and second one is card footer. So this is the card footer. So if we can see that we have classes and slots. So we will talk about what is slots and classes, also about the label and title in the next upcoming video. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.